Guys, it's me with another video. Um, as you can see, we're building a traffic light, but it's not going to be all fancy and all, but it is going to be a lot to code for this one video, especially for like setting up for things later, and just yeah. But yeah, let's get on with it. So first thing to set up, we need a master model with a folder called an FOV for folder of values, and a traffic light. It can be built, but the only things you need in there is base, green light, red light, and yellow light. And make sure you remember all of that. And now we can get to the scripting. Or I can pause the video at this time to look at what you all need for this video today. But yeah. Okay. So let's do all that out. Now we're gonna need a script. So inside of here, okay, I already have whole thing in here. So first thing that we need to do is we need to get the locals done for all all the things. So what we're actually gonna name this one is we're gonna name it um main because it's our main script. So what we're gonna do is get all of the values from our folder. Uh, we actually need to put all of that in there. Copy and then paste. Hopefully it works. Yay. We can take that out because we don't need that since we already know what it is. And we need to make the path to the folder. Well, guess what? Nope. I'm just kidding. And you're probably like, well, why did you put north side? I mean, not that. For these, I put dot value after, but for this one, I put just its thing. Like, not the value, but the, what is it called? The whole entire thing itself. Was because, so these will probably not be changing throughout this whole entire video. I mean, if you do want it to change in your game, then you have to take out the part value because local like makes this thing thanks makes this um like a part of the script. So what you need to do is you need to go. So for something stationary, like it's not going to change at all, then we can have dot value because I mean, well, it's not going to change. But for something that is going to change, then we just put it, not the dot value at the end. But now that we're done, we can go over to in the traffic light, go here, boom. And now we're gonna name this to TL main because it's the main script of the traffic light. And if you want to add more in there later, then I mean, well, that's up to you, not me. Local FOV, yeah, alright. Now copy, we're gonna minimize that. Wow, okay. Now we're gonna paste it in here. Wait, hold on. We actually need to go back in here. I'm pretty sure. Oh, path to the folder. The reason why I put that is because we need to make the path to the folder. So if I'm here, wow, that's just great. Um, so first we need to go script dot, and then let's see what's we need to make a path to it. So this dot parents would be the traffic light main. So put parent which is model, which is that. And then dot, and we see FOV at the end of this. So now, nothing's wrong with that, but now we need to do the same thing for this one. Script up here at the FOV, hopefully. And it may try and trick you. Don't let it trick you. But now, we're going to go back to here. Boom bop. And now we need to build. So, for the main, we need to build the changing sequence. So, we're going to copy that and paste that into there. Alright. So while I put this in, you can take a look at it and, well, see, and I need to go grab my charger before, my computer dies. Alright, I'm back. I just had to grab my thing. But, you see, it's saying, underline, for all. It's because it's saying this is equal to this, but the thing is, we don't have dot value in it to describe what is being chosen. So we need to put value at the end of these, dot value and dot value. So hopefully it clear. I may need some help right now. Oh, okay. This is just the most perfect time for everything to be popping up, but yeah, I didn't make a mistake since I wasn't coding in Roblox Studio while I did this, and I did this in Notepad, probably the worst thing to use while trying to code in a different language without help, because it does not know what it's trying to do. I mean, yeah, but um, okay, why I did not close the loop. Okay, so you can. I'm gonna fix this and see what I did wrong. Alright, I'm back. I think I figured out what was wrong. So double equal checks if two things are true, or double equal sign checks if something is equal in a statement, but just one equal means that it's setting a value. So yeah, so if we go to play, go to, hopefully this is working. Let's go to spell. Bruh. Okay, never mind that thought. So you should always use double equal or double equals for setting a value inside of a loop. I'm pretty sure. I don't know, but we could just figure it out. Okay, I'm gonna be right back.